In this video, we will tell you how to apply for NCHM JEE 2023, for which the application forms have been released on February 2. Candidates can apply for the entrance exam at nchmjee.nta.nic.in. To get the direct link, candidates can also visit our Shiksha page, where we have provided the main website link as well as the registration link. Candidates first need to register for NCHMCT JEE by clicking on New Registration. A new page will open up where candidates have to go through all the instructions to fill the application form. Read all the instructions carefully for filling up the application form and then click on I agree declaration and proceed to register. To register for NCHMCT JEE, candidates first have to register with their personal details, permanent address, present address, as well as create a password and then verify all the details before proceeding to next step. Candidates will receive an OTP on their registered mobile number to proceed for the next step, which is filling up the application form. To fill the forms, candidates have to complete 5 steps, which is filling up the personal details, Aadhaar details, and apply for exam centers, then fill the qualification details and upload some documents. After completing all the steps and cross-verifying details, candidates can proceed to next step, which is application fee payment. The application fee to be paid as per the category selected by the candidates will appear on the screen. After the fee payment is successful, candidates can return to their dashboard and download the confirmation page and get it printed out for their future references. The application form with this step will be complete. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our Shiksha page for more updates on NCHMCT JEE 2023 like exam pattern, syllabus and how to prepare for the exam.